Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson, we will be learning how to sequence sentences and put them into the correct order to tell a story. This is a level 1 skill. Let's begin by thinking about what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that works together. A sentence must begin with a capital letter and it will end with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark, depending on the kind of sentence it is. A sentence makes sense and has finger spaces between words. When we write, the sentences need to be in the correct sequence, which means in the correct order. This is important so that our writing makes sense and it is easy for the reader to understand. Here we have 3 sentences. He picked up his bag and walked to school. Josh got out of bed and got dressed. He went to the kitchen and ate his breakfast. At the moment, these sentences are not in the correct order, so they don't make sense together. What order should they go in? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? We need to think about which sentence to put at the start. First, it needs to be, Josh got out of bed and got dressed. This sentence tells the reader that the sentence is about someone called Josh. Our next sentence is, he went to the kitchen and ate his breakfast. Our last sentence is, he picked up his bag and walked to school. The sentences are now in the correct order, so it is much easier for the reader to understand. Let's look at some more examples. She paid for the kite. She flew the kite at the park. She chose a new pink and blue kite. Holly went into a toy shop. These sentences are in the wrong order. Can you work out what order they should be in? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? Let's take a look. The first sentence is, Holly went into a toy shop. This sentence goes first because it tells the reader who we are writing about, a girl called Holly. The next sentence is, she chose a new pink and blue kite. After that it is, she paid for the kite. And the last sentence is, she flew the kite at the park. Now that the sentences are in the correct order, the writing makes sense. Here are the main points from this lesson. Sentences must be in the correct order so that your writing makes sense. If sentences are in the wrong order, it will be hard for the reader to understand your writing. And finally, always read your writing through to check it is correct.